We are going to practice focusing our attention on our sense of sound. Straighten your spine and sit up tall as you slowly take a deep breath in through your nose, and then slowly exhale or breathe out. Continue taking deep breaths in and out as you begin focusing your attention on the sounds around you. You are going to hear a cat meow every few seconds, and every time you hear the cat meow, show a thumbs up. Great. Continue focusing your attention on the sounds around you and showing a thumbs up when you hear the cat meow. Great job focusing your attention. Have a great day.